Hi Beshies! It's me, Lara. I hope you're all well. So meron akong natanggap na tanong mula sa comment box ng isa sa mga videos na in-upload ko dito sa YouTube. Ito ay mula kay JM Jimenez 5825. Hi! Shoutout sa iyo, JM Jimenez. Thank you for watching my video and for posting a comment. So ang comment niya ay, "Hello ma'am, thanks po sa video nyo. Madami po ako natutunan. Ma'am, tanong ko lang po kung ilang months po ba ang need nila para bank statement? Salamat po sa sagot. God bless po." So, this is about the question is about the bank statement for Poland visa application kasi yung video kung saan ito nakapost ay tungkol sa visa application na in-upload ko. Poland visa application rather. Magsimula tayo sa bank kung saan ako naka-enroll. So, I've been a member for 9 years with Union Bank of the Philippines. But at that time, 2022 ako nag-apply ng work visa papuntang Poland. So, at that time, 7 years na akong naka-enroll sa Union Bank of the Philippines. And then, regarding sa tanong niya na ilang months ang kailangan para bank statements, ang sinubmit ko for my visa application ay 6 months. So, like for example, at that time, nag-apply ako ng visa or yung appointment ko sa VFS Global ay June. So, yung hiningi kong bank statements mula sa Union Bank ay from January to June 2022. So, dapat yung pinaka-recent na bank statements yung ipapasa mo. And kailangan na may transaction history na makikita doon. Makikita yung cash flow mo sa bank account mo. And since I was already enrolled with Union Bank of the Philippines for 7 years at that time, so established na talaga yung transaction history ko. And then, doon din pumapasok yung mga deposit mula sa Google AdSense since doon ko tinatanggap yung revenue ko mula dito sa YouTube. I was also working as a virtual assistant. So, doon din sa bank account na yun pumapasok yung sahod ko mula sa pagiging virtual assistant ko. Hindi ko alam kung magkano talaga yung required na laman ng bank account kasi hindi naman talaga specific yung Poland pagdating sa amount, but I made sure na merong sapat na funds yung bank account ko. So, at that time, ang laman ay 30,000 pesos. And then, according to my research, dapat ang laman ng bank account upon application of the visa ay katumbas ng isang buwang sahod mo sa Poland pag nag-start ka ng magtrabaho. Yung nasa employment contract ko ay around 30,000 yung isang buwang sahod ko. So, yun yung inilagay ko sa aking bank account. Pero yung pagpasok ng pera doon ay hindi siya isang bagsakan. Ang ginawa ko ay nag-deposit ako ng 10,000 per month. So, for example, hindi. Ginawa ko siya from January to June. So, hinati-hati ko yung 30,000 from January to June para maging maging legit talaga tingnan na yung bank account ko ay hindi siya ginagamit for any fraudulent activity, and to make sure na yung perang nakalagay doon ay akin talaga. Kasi merong iba na parang nanghiram lang sila ng pera tapos dineposit nila sa kanilang bank account and then after that ay withdraw nila kaagad. So ayaw ng Poland ng ganun. I don't think it's necessary na mag-submit ng bank account certification kasi yung akin bank statements lang talaga. Hindi na ako nanghingi ng bank certificate mula sa Union Bank. Yung bank statements lang na nagpapakita ng transaction history ng aking bank account yung pinasa ko. It's up to you kung anong bank yung gagamitin mo. Basta yung akin ay Union Bank, and I think it doesn't matter kung ano yung bank nyo as long as may laman siyang funds, yung bank account, and then makikita yung transaction history. And within 6 months or most recent yung bank statements na ipapasa ninyo. Although required siya na 6 months talaga yung bank statements na ipapasa ninyo. So, JM Jimenez, I hope that answered your question at sana nakatulong din ang video na ito sa mga viewer na may tanong na katulad ng kay JM Jimenez. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye!
I see trees so green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself,